Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Hi, I'm Stephanie, a teacher here at Hoffman Academy. Today I'm going to give you a brief overview of solfège. Even if you don't know what the word means, you might know the concept. For instance, I was singing the major scale using solfège. If you've seen the movie The Sound of Music, it may have sounded very familiar. It's a way of learning music and sharing music that uses syllables like do, re, and mi to represent each note of the scale. Every note in a scale has a certain function and syllable that goes with it. Solfège helps you know what each note's job is. As a student, you can use solfège to help with your sight reading and in learning music theory. Instead of listening for the names of the notes, like A and C sharp, you can listen for the intervals between the notes to learn a melody. Once you know a piece of music in solfège, you can learn to quickly transpose it into any key. Learning solfège takes time, but it doesn't have to be difficult. If you want to learn more about using solfège, check out Hoffman Academy Lesson 13, Chocolate. We'll put a link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like so we know you want to see more topics like this. We've got a whole team of music teachers answering questions and bringing you awesome lessons and tutorials every week. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. And if you're looking for a complete piano education, click the link to visit hoffmanacademy.com. See you next time.